Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's project is taking down a fence that we put up temporarily about 10 years ago between two of our fields. The south field has been fallow for I don't even know how long before I was in the picture, but we're going to be installing a new main line down along the whole north side of it. This temporary fence covers maybe about a third of it is all, and so as it overlaps into one of our other fields. And the kids are super excited for it because it means that we get to use the mini excavator for the first time. Our oldest, Zeke, has always been incredibly naturally inclined to running the equipment, as you've seen in our previous videos. Our second oldest, Landon, that's not been one of his skills that he's picked up really easily from a young age. So he's 8 now, and he's really excited to be using it and getting more practice on it and learning that hand-eye coordination as he's doing the little joysticks. And as always, if you're enjoying our content, please hit that subscribe button and follow along for more. Stick along with our journey of our little family. This is the corner where we're starting, and it goes all along this side until those power poles end is the very end of it. You can just climb right through again. Our first challenge that I didn't know, we got a staple through here this part, so we're just gonna have to cut the wire. I think we're gonna try and pull the staple out instead.
How many pins are stuck in it? Oh, she got it.
Just that one. Woo, that wind.
Oh!
Oh, hi.
I accidentally sit down and all the pokies got on my foot.
Oh no. So we called it quits the other day. It was so windy and awful. And we had a couple scrapes from the barbed wire that we had some tears with. So we called it quits and went home, but we're back out today. It's beautiful weather. There's no wind, just a nice partly cloudy day. And so we're back to hopefully finish the project today.
Landon wires back to Bill.
Well, she just hold them for a second for him.
I don't want them. Just a few more.
Yeah, just a few more. How's it going?
Hard on.
Okay, let's go back. You got it now, or you wanna keep going? Ta-da! One wire down. They what?
Wires can do this.
Show me. Wow. Here we go. You're the boss of this. Do what you feel like you need to do.
That's just right. I need to fight you. Ow.
Are you talking a fire fight?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Big fire fight.
I remembered we had bought some leather gloves a few months ago, and so after getting those, everything went much smoother. Okay, little miss wants to turn, rolling the wire up. You are amazing. Okay, let's pull it back tight. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Got it good?
Yeah.
Good. We got all the wires down, and so now it's time for the fun part, using the mini excavator to pull out the poles. This was the first farm project that the kids and I did 100% on our own. I love seeing their skills and confidence grow as they get more and more practice with the equipment and just learning the different skills that the farm provides. It's definitely not without a challenge for all of us and some tears along the way, but it's so worth it in the end.